We have a line which is at an angle of 45 degree to the vertical plane and 45 degree to the horizontal plane. If we encase the line in a square, this square is parallel to the vertical plane on the side. There is this line which is inclined at 45 degree to the vertical plane and 45 degree to the horizontal plane. Point A of the line is 15 mm away from the vertical plane and 10 mm away from the horizontal plane. We'll first take the projection of the line on the vertical plane on side and then get its plan and top view. The dimension of 10 mm and 15 mm shall be taken here. So from the XY line at a distance of 10 mm we'll get this point, and this red line is the line of fold. From the line of fold it is at 15 mm distance, so that 15 mm distance will come here. So 15 mm from here, 10 mm above this we got point A. I took a reference line from the horizontal at an angle of 45 degree. I drew a reference line. From point A I took 30 mm distance. Wherever it came I joined these two, I got line AB. From the point A and B I took down the projection. So that they can hit this line at 45 degree. Wherever they hit the line at 45 degree, it was turned horizontal. Parallel to the XY line. At a random point, I identified point A, dropped down the line to cut this blue line. I got point B. I named them AB. From here I took projection up, and from here I took projection on this side, and from point A I took the projection on this side. Wherever this line cut the blue line, I got point B. Wherever this line cut the blue line, I got point A. Joining these two, I got the line AB in the front view, line AB in the top view, line AB in the left side view. In continuation of the condition where line is related to the VP and HP in different ways, this is another condition which we are going to see now. Let us read the question. A line is at an angle of 45 degree to the horizontal plane, which means there is a line and this is a horizontal plane. It is at an angle of 45 degree to the horizontal plane. The top view of the line is at 30 degree to the vertical plane. So if I see this is a line which is parallel to the vertical plane and parallel to the horizontal plane. Now it is at 45 degree to the horizontal plane. When I see from top, I will see the projection of this point and this point down to the horizontal plane. The next condition is the top view of the line is at 30 degree to the vertical plane, which means this is at 30 degree to the vertical plane. This is the condition which we have to use to draw its top and the front view. Let us see out here. This is the line AB, which is at 45 degree to the horizontal plane. Anchored at point A, if I turn it around, the height of this point will remain the same. This height is depicted by this circle out here. So if I anchor my line at point A here, and if I rotate it, the angle will always remain at 45 degrees. I have to rotate it in a manner that the top view of this line makes an angle of 30 degrees to the vertical plane and then take the projections. This is our XY line. We'll do it in 3 steps. So the first step is that we assume that the line is parallel to the vertical plane and at an angle to the horizontal plane. And then we will draw the front view and the top view, and we'll name the line as small a, small b. Since it is parallel to the vertical plane, the true length of the line will be visible in the front view. On the XY line, I took a random point A. From there, I took a reference line at an angle of 45 degree. On this, I measured the true length of the line and then I made the front view. This is the front view of the line. Let us name it as small a, small b. From small a and small b, I dropped down 2 projections onto the horizontal plane, and at a given distance of point A from the vertical plane, I took another reference line. The meeting of these 2 projection line and this reference line gave me the top view of the line AB, which I will darken. And this gives us the top view. So first step has been taken. Now taking the next condition which is given in the question, the top view of the line is at 30 degree to the vertical plane. So we will tilt the plan of the top view at 30 degree to the vertical plane. So this is here, and now this will get tilted at 30 degree, which we have done in this also. We have tilted it by 30 degree. So from point small a, I took a line at 30 degree to line AB, which is this line. I take a compass, taking this as center and AB as radius, I make an arc. Wherever this arc cuts this line at 30 degree, it will give me a point which is here, and this line is equivalent to this line. So now I have this condition where the plan has been tilted at 30 degree to the vertical plane. It is already there at 45 degree to the horizontal plane. This is the final top view which I will get. So this AB line is what I have got. So step 3 is take projections from the top view, which is this one, and derive the line AB in top and front view. So in top view we have already got the line. Let us see how we will take the projection. Now there are 2 projections which we have to take. This projection from B is this circle or this path which this circle is taking, which means anchoring my line at this point, if I at 45 degree, if I just rotate it at this point as center, the path which this circle has taken is this line. If point B is on this line, that means it will always remain at 45 degree to the horizontal plane. Now I'll take another projection. After we got the true top view, from point B, I again projected the point up. This situation is this situation out here. So this line is giving me this point after a turning of line at 30 degree. Wherever this projection cuts this horizontal line, that gives me the actual point B. Since point A has not changed place, it is anchored at this point only, so this will be point A. And now this line is the true front view of the line AB, which we have named as capital A, capital B. So as the situation gets more complex, you have to break your process of projections into parts. So in this case, we have broken it into 3 parts, and that is how we got the front view and the top view of the line.